Cat keeps staring at photo. Mom sets up camera. Cats love to lounge around. They take cat naps all throughout the day, sleeping 12 to 16 hours. But what about at night? You may not know this, but cats are actually nocturnal animals. Sure, they adjust their sleep patterns a bit to match those of their owners, but on the whole, nighttime is when they like to come out and play. A cat owner in Thailand wanted to know just what kind of shenanigans his cute cat was getting into at night, so he set up a secret camera to record his pet while he slumbered. As you might imagine, he caught some pretty adorable per-anormal activity as his furry companion stood watch of his sleeping body. This cat owner in Bangkok, Thailand set up cameras to watch his cat at night. Facebook user Lumfonten uploaded nighttime cam shots of his cat's behavior to the Thai Facebook group Cat Lovers Club. As you can see, he was able to catch some pretty perfect cat photos. Cats are descendants of the African wildcat, a mostly nocturnal animal. The domestication of cats have made their activity patterns more diurnal, awake in the day like ours, however. Most cats will still wake at least twice, if not more at night, as you can see here. This Facebook user isn't the only curious cat who wanted to know what felines are up to at night. Researchers at the University of Georgia placed small cameras on 55 cats in the Atlanta area and then studied more than 37 hours of footage to identify trends. Just like their ancestors, 44% of these outdoor cats hunted for wildlife. 85% of these captures occurred during the warmer seasons. Whether they are indoor or outdoor, you've probably heard silly cats make the most noise at night with yowling sounds. These cries can be due to a number of reasons: old age, stress, medical problems, or just plain boredom. This happens especially in indoor cats that didn't have enough playtime. If your cat is disrupting your sleep at night, there are several different suggestions. Just like you would with kids, try to tire your cat out closer to the evening with play sessions. Try feeding your cat before bedtime, as they usually tend to sleep after eating a big meal. It is important to note that even though your funny cat loves you, they can unintentionally injure you at night. A cat may notice an eye moving underneath the eyelid and swat at it in a playful move. Sadly, it may be best for you to lock them out of the bedroom for a more peaceful night's rest. People in the comments loved the pictures. The Dark Sleep said, "I think they might be trying to figure out if you're still breathing. Like, they depend on y'all to keep them safe. It's a big deal for them." Quetzal4U. They say cats would lay on you and suck away your soul while you slept. Objectorborn. I now need to know if my cats literally lie on my face while I'm unconscious. McCorney. Think your cat might be trying to kill you. Johnsky. My cat does the same thing, which is why we don't let him in the room anymore, much to his dismay. Decomposing composers. Plot twist. They're not his photos, but they are photos of him. Murgatroyder. That cat loves that person.